Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly, or you can mail us if you have any queries. But the mail ID is different now. Please check out the description box for the same. And if you want to become a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, then also the link is in the description box for the master class. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Okay, let's see, Leo. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Ten of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Queen of Wands. See, there's a lot of pull towards you, energetic pull towards you. It's like this is, they are feeling it's very stressful for them to even move on from the situation. This is very stressful for them to come back to you. This is very stressful for them to move on from the situation. So they're watching you from a distance, and they're getting very much attracted to the idea of connecting with you again, but at the same time they feel like it's impossible. Wow, lot of pull and lot of attraction is to like there for you guys, for you, from this person's side, and they're watching you from a distance. This person is continuously watching you from a distance, 1 foot in, 1 foot out of your life, out of your energies, but they're watching you continuously, and it's very difficult for them to completely move on from the situation. It's very difficult for them to come back to you completely. God, what is happening? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Six of Swords. Wow. They're leaving it on the universe. They want to leave it on the universe that if it is meant to be, it will happen someday between you and them. If it is not, they're trying to move on from the situation and trying not to look back, trying to leave the past in the past. It's like it's okay. I don't know from like how many days or how many months you guys are not talking to each other, but this some kind of reality is hitting them right now at this present moment, where they're continuously in this tug of war of I should move on, I should reconnect, I should move on, I should reconnect. And they're just in this energy of their intention here right now is to surrender to the divine, that if it is meant to be, if some kind of miracle is going to happen in this situation someday, we guys are going to be together again. If not, I just want to move on, right? Leaving the past in the behind, leaving the past in the past. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. They're very much attracted to the idea of coming back towards you, I'm telling you, but they're stopping themselves at the end moment. It's like basically writing a whole paragraph about how they feel for you, how they want you badly, how they want to have a family with you, and if you guys were married to each other, they want to protect this marriage or save this marriage or reconnect and reconcile and all that. So basically writing a whole essay, but when it comes to this energy of sending, you know, like pressing the send button, they're not doing it. But with all of their passion, all of their desire, with all of their heart and soul, this person wants to reconnect, but this energy of no, it's not going to happen, or for whatever reason they are convincing themselves that it is impossible between you and them now, so they should just keep moving ahead instead of coming back to you. So for you, the guidance here is that don't take any kind of unnecessary risk in your unloved relationship area, even if it is about a past person or new energy or new person, even if you are connected or not connected with anybody. Do not take unnecessary risk. If you feel intuitively that something or someone is not right for you or good for you, let them go. Okay, again, don't make any kind of foolish moves, or don't take any kind of unnecessary risk in this direction. If you know that something or someone is not going to be good for you, or this situation is not good for you, whatever, for whatever reason. Even if you're going to do something just for fun, it might turn into a disaster very, very soon if you're not going to be careful. That is the deal here. Okay, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps, Leo, to get you back on the track. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.